beautifuls, welcome to my channel. My name is Devonna Cole. Thank you for joining me today. So guys, I received my GLAMBAGX box for February late. It literally just came in over the weekend. So because this is the very last box, this is the very last GLAMBAGX that will be seen on this channel, because IPSY and BOXY are merging together and they are taking away the BOXY Luxe and the GLAMBAGX, and they're now giving us a box called the Icon box that basically is the same thing with 8 full-size products. So I just figured, since it's late, why not show you what's in it anyway? It doesn't hurt. It's our last box here for GLAMBAGX on this channel, so why not? So this was for February 2023. This box is a quarterly subscription, so the new Icon box will also be a quarterly subscription, just like Luxy and GLAMBAGX was. So let's get into it. So guys, the February box was created or co-created with Sarian. I don't know who she is. I'm not even going to front like I do. She has a very goth look here on the thing, so maybe that's her thing. I don't know who she is. I'm not going to lie to you. So I just don't know. But I'm going to see what she chose for this GLAMBAGX and see what's in here. And I wonder if we're still going to have this newspaper and stuff like with the new Icon box. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So guys, let's get into this thing here. So the first product I'm pulling out, guys, this is the Aether Beauty project, and this is a face glaze. So guys, this product is a skin barrier veil, so I'm assuming it's like a primer. It says the look of smooth, glowy, healthy skin. It filters away any dull, dry, textured skin. So that sounds like a primer to me. I'm gonna pop it out. I'm not that familiar with this brand. I'm trying to remember if I've ever received anything from them, and I'm not exactly certain that I have. So this may be the first product here that we have. I'm going to look real quick and see if there's any info about this product really quick. I don't see this one in here at all, so I don't have much to tell you about her, but we're just going to keep it moving and go to the next thing in our box here. So that is our first item. Our second item out of this box, guys, we have a Drunk Elephant product. I love Drunk Elephant. They are such a good skincare brand. This is their Proteiny Peptide Resurf Serum, and it says it strengthens and resurfaces. This has 10% lactic acid. This is how the product comes. This packaging for this product looks big, but this is not much product in here. It feels so light. It says it's only 1 fluid ounce. So guys, I'm sure there's a very tiny vial that's inside of here if this is only 1 fluid ounce worth of product. This product here, guys, is valued at $82. Wow. $82, seriously, wow. So it says quench your thirsty skin with this multi-award winning serum. It enlists the help of TI, and this is not a serum. Yes, it is a serum. Oh, it is a serum. I was thinking it was like a toner, but it's a serum. Okay, I was wrong. I was wrong what I was thinking. So guys, this is a serum made by Drunk Elephant at $82. That's a lot of money. I'm glad I got it in a subscription, but they're supposed to be very good products, so I can't wait to try this one out actually. So that is the second product that we have here in our box. So I'm gonna go to the next one. So guys, we also got a Benefit cosmetic product here, and I've tried this before and I don't remember liking this. This is their brow micro filling eyebrow pen, and this is valued at $25, guys. And this is, it says a triple prolonged eyebrow pen creates the most realistic hairs in just a few strokes. The color I have is medium brown. That's going to be too light for me, to be quite honest with you guys. I can give you a quick swatch, but this is not going to work for me at all. I can just tell you that right off the bat. So I'm just going to run it back here just so you guys can see how light that is on me. That's not going to work at all. So that's not going to work. If it was a darker brown, I think maybe, but it looks like nothing on me. So this is not going to work for me at all. I have to give this away to one of my friends. This product again is valued at $25. So let's see what else is in my box. The next item I have a Fenty Beauty product. So this is the Pro Kisser. Okay. This is a luscious lip balm, and I have the color Hint. Alrighty then. So let's take it out real quick. I haven't used any of the Fenty lip balm, so this will be my first time trying it out. Do we have any info about this in here? Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. I don't see anything in here about this Fenty product, so I'm not sure what this costs, guys. If I find the cost for this, I will put it in here, but I'm not seeing anything about the cost for this one, so I'm not sure. So we'll go to the next product. The next thing I have in here, I've never heard of this. Is it Vor? I'm sure I'm butchering the name to death. But this is a color protecting pre-shampoo treatment. Do we have any information in here about this? I hate when I actually Voir. So it is Voir. It's VOIR. Rhythm and Rain product, but this is not the same exact thing. This is a pre-shampoo treatment. And they're saying the one that's in here is valued at $17. And it says it's a detox treatment for the scalp. And it restores deep conditioning hair mask. Which this is not. This is just the shampoo. So this is not exactly the same. So I'm not exactly certain how much this costs either, guys. But I don't like when they give us shampoos. I mean, I don't know. It's a beauty box. I don't really want shampoo. I want either makeup or skincare. That's just me, but that's what we have. So this is probably my least favorite item so far. Let's go to the next thing. So the next thing we have, oh, I got a Mercier product. So we have a translucent loose setting powder. This is Light Catcher, and it's cosmetic rose. So I guess it has a rose here or something, maybe, I don't know. So this is the product here. They probably got a safety seal or something on it. Yeah, it's a seal on it, so I'm not going to bother to take that. Or I can pull it back. Let me see. Let me see if I can get any to come out of here to kind of show you guys. Is it coming out? A little bit came out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, it does have like a sheen to it, like a rose colored sheen. But it kind of blends right in really good. So I can't wait to try that out. Mercier makes really good products. I'm sure we got a price for this one in here. I think I did see this one in here. But Mercier, what we got? What we got? $40. So this is $40 for this Light Catcher. So the verbiage says this luminous weightless powder helps blur imperfections and set your face while remaining untraceable. So I can't wait to try this one out. That'd be nice. I hope it's not too shiny, but my hair doesn't look too shiny on the back, so I think we're good to go. We have two more products. So the next product we have is a Caramoon product. I'm not familiar with this. This is Star Jelly Magical Magic Resurfacing Facial is what it's called. I'm not familiar with this. It looks pretty cool though. Let's take it out the box here and see it. And it's, oh, it looks like it comes with a brush and everything. That's pretty cool. So what does this product do? So Star Jelly Magic Resurfacing Facial is a 4-in-1 treatment that gently buffs away dead skin cells and tighten pores to reveal a smoother, glowier, and more clarified skin. That's pretty cool. I have never heard of this product before. Have you guys tried this? If you have, let me know how this worked for you. I'm trying to see if they have any information about this product in here, how much it costs. Okay, this is valued at $45, guys. So, I can't wait to try this out. This seems like it'll be pretty cool to use. So, $45 for the Star Jelly by Caramoon. We got one product in here and we're done. We have an Aether Beauty eyeshadow palette. So this one is the Manifest palette. Now, I did get one of their palettes before. It's been a while, though. And they have these manifestation-like cards that come... Ooh, I dropped it on the floor. So, guys, they always put these little cards in there for, like, their palettes, which I think is cute. So on the back it shows you like what colors are in here. But this is the Manifest palette. I'm gonna pop it open. They don't give you any mirrors with the Aether Beauty, but I think these are some really pretty colors. This is so ready for spring to me. I'm really feeling these sheets. These are really nice. So you got some shimmers and you got some metallics in here. It says 12 limited edition shades in ultra matte shimmer and duochrome metallic finishes to create gorgeous ethereal looking looks. Crystal charged pigments infused with amnesty powder to help illuminate the skin with its light reflecting crystals. Okay, that's a lot of verbiage there with the marketing department, but it's a very nice looking palette. And I believe I did like the way the other one performed when I tried one of their other palettes out, and I was good with that. So this is the palette. So guys, in review, we are at the end of this video pretty much. I think for the most part it was a pretty decent box for the last GLAMBAGX. I think it really was. I like the skincare products. The only thing I didn't really care for was this color protecting pre-shampoo treatment by Voyeur, because I don't really care about any shampoos in a beauty box. That's just me. That's the only thing I didn't like. I think everything else I'm pretty cool. Oh yeah, and a micro needle implant only because it's not my shade. So these are the only two products. Everything else I'm pretty much good with. Love skincare, love makeup. So guys, this is my box. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider tapping that like button. It lets me know what you guys are into and what you enjoy on this channel. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do review different subscription boxes on this channel. If you are interested in that, then this channel may be the channel for you. So please consider tapping that subscribe button and stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But until my next video, guys, stay blessed and I will see you next time. Bye!